How to find customers for your product with ChatGPT. There is a simple prompt that you can use to find customers for your product with ChatGPT and even ask ChatGPT to help you find them on LinkedIn. Let's start. Here is the prompt to use. I'm a whatever you are. Just provide your description, role, whatever it is, your skills, describe who you are. And then tell the chatbot, you are a world-class expert in customer research. Give me a list of ideal customer profiles for my offerings. So in this case, I'm going to provide workshop facilitator. Since I'm one of them, I'm a workshop facilitator. You are a world-class expert in customer research. Give me a list of ideal customer profiles for my offering. And now wait for the answer. So the great thing is it not only gives you some ideas for ideal customer profile roles, but it also describes the goals and even some pains that they have. Corporate managers and executives, human resources professionals, they have these goals. Enhancing employee engagement, reducing turnover, improving workplace culture. Yeah, the workplace culture workshops. Small business owners, entrepreneurs, sales teams, IT technical teams, educational institutions, nonprofit organization, healthcare, creative teams, remote teams. Educational institution, enhancing teaching methods, improving student engagement, developing leadership skills in students. Cool. So let's choose one. And now choose one. In this case, I like the idea of running the workplace culture workshops. So I'm choosing the human resources professionals. And I'm telling the chatbot to choose number 2 and tell me how to find them on LinkedIn. And this is what I got. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Cool. It tells me to, focus on my workshop facilitation, customer research experience. But the best thing is use LinkedIn search filters. It tells me to choose HR manager and to search for people with this role. Let's do it. So I'm clicking on HR manager, clicking on people, and most important, choose second level connections. These are people who know someone who you are connected with. They will more probably accept your connection requests. And now connect with them with some personal message. And the best thing is, chatbot, the ChatGPT even tells you a sample outreach message to use to connect with them. I hope this message finds you well. I would leave this out. I'm a workshop facilitator specializing in leadership and team development. I noticed that you are deeply involved in employee training and development at your company. I would love to connect and explore how we can collaborate to enhance your team's skills and productivity. Best regards, Adam. This is just one thing, how to find customers on LinkedIn with ChatGPT. Stay tuned for more.